In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to check which app are draining your battery on a smartphone. So in this, I will guide you of the easiest and step-by-step process to check which app are draining your battery on a smartphones. So let's get start our video. First of all, open your setting application on mobile device. So inside that, search for battery. And you can see here battery option is there. Tap on this. And in this there are different features and all. I will tell everything, and I will tell about that also which app is draining your battery and all. So first you can see here one current mode is there. You can tap on this and you can change your that performance mode, balance mode, battery saver or ultra battery saver. If you will change that, you can extend your that battery power for more time. So in this way you can change that current mode. And this is one or for the battery protection, it will be already given, so you can do all those. And there is one additional feature, you can check this also. Like this, you can do turn on mobile data when device is locked and all everything. That additional feature is there, you can do all those things from here. And now you can see here which app is draining more battery on your devices. Now you can see here, for me it is showing Facebook and Google, Imo and all. So if you want to see more app, you can see here at the down more apps is there. Tap on this. Now you can see here every application, which application is draining your that battery. And if you want to see more detail about that, you have to tap anyone. From here you can see the more detail about that battery uses and all. So in this way you can check your that battery draining on your smartphone. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.